Hello, beautiful world. My name is Shay Hill, also known as the Daycare Fairy. I am a proud daycare owner of Kids at Play Learning Academy located in Ohio. I started an in-home daycare in my apartment and expanded to my dream childcare center. I started my in-home daycare in 2019 and expanded to my center in 2021. This video is a sweet glimpse of where I started to look for a center back in November 2019. My goal is to inspire and motivate future childcare providers and maybe even those who already own an in-home daycare or a center. I would love to invite you on my journey to show you that you can start where you are, how to start with less than $10,000, and how to be resourceful or strategic in your approach. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned as you walk alongside my fruitful journey. I look forward to seeing what this journey has to offer.